Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya NIM 2003-1153 dari Prodi Pendidikan Biologi C akan mempresentasikan atau akan membahas tentang topik menstrual cycle. Topik yang pertama yaitu the meaning of puberty. Puberty is the point at which an individual is first capable of reproduction. Kemudian tapi yang kedua yaitu puberty period. Girls usually reach this stage when about 12 years old, and boys reach puberty about 2 years later. When a girl reaches puberty, she has her first menstrual period, and her period occurs every 28 days or so during the rest of her childbearing years. It is the female monthly cycle that is known as the menstrual cycle. Kemudian yang ketiga yaitu menstrual process. Blood and cells that hairline the uterus are expelled in the menstrual flow, which is the result of the breakdown of the uterine lining. The outer cells love of inner breathing process that allow the uterus to regenerate a new lining receptive to implantation of a fertilized egg. Creating a proper environment where an embryo can develop to full term. During estrus, when the cells are sloughed of all cell and accompanying blood drain from the uterus through the vagina, out of which the discharge flows. This bleeding is controlled and normal and is referred to as a woman's period. In humans, the entire menstrual cycle of uterine build up and breakdown, involving the release of one egg takes 28 days. The term menstrual cycle originates from the root menses, which means monthly, or menses means month. Menses is also used when referring to the menstrual period. Many changes occur in hormonal concentration during the menstrual cycle. Two parts of the monthly cycle are commonly known as the ovarian cycle and the uterine cycle. The relative level of the two important hormones, estrogen and progesterone, are involved in regulating the event of the monthly cycle. Figure 4.10 explain the event in more detail. The follicle is the part of the ovary that releases the egg. While the follicle develops, it secretes estrogen, which stimulates the uterus to thicken. Ovulation typically occurs on the 14th day of the cycle, or counting begins from the first day of love. The ruptured follicle becomes the corpus luteum, which secretes another hormone, progesterone, which stimulates the uterus to become ready to receive the fertilized egg. If the egg does not become fertilized, then progesterone secretions drop off, the thickened lining of the uterus slough off, and bleeding signal the beginning of the next menstrual cycle. On figure 4.10, monthly ovarian and uterine cycles from hormone are involved. Follicle stimulating hormone causes the maturity of the egg, Estradiol causes the uterine lining to grow thicker. Luteinizing hormone causes ovulation, and progesterone help prepare the lining of the uterus for the fertilized egg. This is the ovarian site. If the egg is not fertilized, it passes through the uterus and disintegrate. The corpus luteum stops producing progesterone and menses occur. This is the uterine cycle. And that's it from me. Saya sudahi dengan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.